Hey guys, this is Dr. Tim, and these are hip airplanes and hip helicopters. Fantastic drills for controlling hip rotation, activating the glute, balance, and also increasing some hip rotation. So we're going to set up on one leg. We're going to make sure our knee and our toes are pointed forward in the same direction the whole time. I'm going to imagine that there's a rod from my head through my back heel so that we maintain a straight line. I'm going to bring my arms out to the side, lift off that back leg, and for the airplane, we're tilting side to side like this. So going as far as we can, maintaining our spine posture as well as our knee and toes facing the same direction. For the helicopter, same setup, but we're going to turn parallel to the floor, making sure our knee and toes are facing forward. If those are too difficult, we can do a couple things. The first one is kickstand, so have your toe down on your back leg, just to give you some balance. You can also use a wall or a squat rack, and just put your hands on that for some balance as you work through these drills.